This is a quick tutorial that explains how to use the Advanced Input Options feature of Quick Pallet Maker to find out which is the optimal maximum pallet height for a certain load. First thing we do is start from New Data Sheet from Primary Package. We will be working with the default units, which are millimeters, so we will leave it as it is. Next step, using default dimensions and default product information, we will go to the Tools menu, Advanced Input Options. Here, we can vary different variables. We will choose the maximum load height and a range that is similar to the one that we have in the window to achieve a value as high as possible for volume efficiency. And we will increase the iterations as much as possible and show just the best result. We click on OK, and we get our result. We wait. Until we go through the different options, we see that we have gone through 2,400 pallets to obtain the best one. In this case, we have a volume efficiency of 91.16%. We go to the window menu, generate a detailed report, and we have the optimal configuration that we were looking for.